Would you like to learn how to make some delicious sweet Thai chili shrimp just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
We're going to need some onions and some bell peppers for this sweet Thai chili shrimp recipe, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. So of course we're also going to need some shrimp. I'm going to take some fresh lemon juice and put it all over the shrimp. And then I'm going to go in with some garlic and herb Old Bay, as well as some garlic powder and also some onion powder and some fresh cracked black pepper. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this Better Than Bouillon lobster base. It says lobster, but it goes really good on all seafood. I use it in place of salt because it's super flavorful and it already has plenty of sodium in it. But if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt. I'm also going to add some dried parsley. That has no flavor, it just makes everything look pretty, like we working up in this kitchen, child. Now I have my frying pan on medium heat and I'm going in with some butter and a little bit more lobster base. And then I'm going to add in some garlic as well as some red onions and multicolored bell peppers. But add the garlic after the other veggies because garlic has a tendency to burn. Let that cook down for a minute or two and then add in the shrimp. These shrimp are jumbo size, so they'll take about 4 to 6 minutes to cook. But halfway through the cooking time, I'm going to add in some homemade Thai sweet chili sauce. I'll put the recipe to the sauce above. And then once the sauce is added, then I'm going to just let it keep cooking for the remainder of the cooking time. But I did forget one thing, duh. I forgot to add in some smoked paprika, so I'm going to add it in now. Better late than never, child. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I'm burning.
My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will all the time. This sweet Thai chili shrimp came out so good. I hope you try the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe and you make it so good. Make sure you like and subscribe.